Hi friends, welcome to Sri Sai IT Hub. In this video of core Python programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Python list collection with slicing. So Python list is a sequence data type. So now coming to what is this list in Python? So list is a sequence data type where order of collection of objects is preserved. So it is a collection of elements or values or objects where order is preserved. It provides indexes to the collection of elements, and list elements are mutable. So once we create the list, we can modify the elements of a list. And list can store same type of data or different type of data. And list values are given in square brackets, which are separated with commas. For example, list 1 square brackets 11 comma 22 comma 33 comma 44 comma 55, and every list provides indexes to its collection of objects which are positive as well as negative. So positive indexes are 0 to n minus 1. For example, list 1 11 22 33 44 55. So the positive indexes with 0 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are left to right forward indexes. And we also have minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. So if we take from minus 1 to minus 5, that is right to left backward direction. So using slice operator with corresponding indexes, we can slice, we can break a part of a list and get that as another list of elements. So let us try to do that with a small example. So the syntax goes like this: list of starting index colon ending index. So ending index character or ending index element is not taken. Okay, for example, if you take list 1 of 0, 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is not included. So you will get only 11, 22, 33, 44. Right, so let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. Python list example 3. So take a new page. So first write comments at the beginning of the program. So take a list 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. So first let us print list 1 of 0, 4. So 0 index is 11, 0, 1, 2, 3. Fourth index element is not included. So let us put comment for the remaining cases. Come to the prompt where you have saved the program. So py python list example 3. So yeah, so let us run it once again. Py python list example 3. So 11, 22, 33, 44. Fourth index element is not included, ending index. So if you want that to be included, last index, take list of 0, 5. So anyhow we don't have fifth index element, so it is not included. Now we'll get 0 to 4. We'll get 0 to 4. So save the program. So get back to the prompt and run it. So now 0 to 5, anyhow we don't have the fifth index. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. End index is not included. So next coming to 0 to 6. So anyhow we don't have fifth index and sixth index. So you will get only 0 to 4. So now coming to, you will not get any error. You will get only 0 to 4. So here no error. So next coming to, right. So list of 1, don't give the end index. If you don't give end index, it will take till 4. even the end index 4 is also included. So 1 to 4, 22, 33, 44, 55. Now in this case, end index is included since you did not give it. So next, let us try to work with beginning index not given. So list of beginning index is not given, so it will start from 0 to 4. Now since you are giving end index, 4 is not included. So 11, 22, 33, 44. So next, coming to, so list 1 of, okay, so I'm not giving beginning index and ending index, so both are included. 0 as well as 4 is also included. So 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. So next we will take list of -5, -1. So we have negative indexes also, -5. So -5 will start from here. Okay, so -5, -4, -3, -2, -1. So -1 is not included. You will get only first to 4 elements as a new list. Slicing of list. You will get a new list. Next, let us take, so one of the important situation. So -5, 0. Now here -5 itself is same index. -5 and 0 are same indexes, so you will get empty index. Okay, right. If you see here, this is -5 in backward direction, as well as this is 0 in forward direction. So -5 to 0. So since 0 is not included, 11 is not taken into consideration. So that's why we got a empty list. Next case, it goes like this, right? So list of -5, 1. Okay, so this is combination of positive index and negative index. You'll get only one element, 11. So how did we get 11? So it's very simple here. -5 in backward direction, 0, 1 in forward direction. So 22 is 1, 11 is -5. So -5 to 22. So 22 is not included, which is the ending index. So that's why we got only 11. Next, -5, 4. So 4 is the last index with respect to forward direction. -5 is the first index with respect to backward direction. So -5 till before 4, which is third index. So 11, 22, 33, 44. So next, coming to, right, so -5, I'm not giving the ending index. So since we are not giving ending index, we'll get till -1. So -5, -4, -3, -2, -1. Okay. Now, next case. So don't give starting index, and then ending index we are giving -1. So here it will take 11, -5, -4, -3, -2. -1 is not included. So next we will remove both of them, starting index and ending index. Okay, so just give empty. Again you'll get 11 to 0 to 4 or -5 to -1. Both are inclusive. So this is how we are supposed to work with slicing of a string. It is something like breaking of a string to get a substring. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.